Okay, guys, good day, good day. It's ELEKWACHI Bethel once again from Showcase Digital Media. So today I'm going to be discussing a very important topic on this YouTube channel, and that topic would be to show you how to create a PayPal account that you can use to both send and receive money from Nigeria. Now, this issue is a very relevant issue because most Nigerians cannot send money or receive money using the PayPal account that is functional in Nigeria. So, but with what you're going to be learning from this video today, you're going to be able to send and receive money from Nigeria and outside the country using the PayPal you create following the steps in this video. So all I want you to do before we continue is to kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for this video so that others can come across it and get value for it. You can also share to your friends and your connections. So today I would like to go straight to the point. So what I want you to look at is what I've typed here. So what you're going to do now is come to your browser and type paypal.com/ls. Now we are going to be creating that for Lesotho, but you can create for 3 other countries apart from Nigeria. So you can, as a Nigerian, you can create that of UAE, United Arab Emirates. You can create that of South Africa, and you can create that of Lesotho. So I'm going to be dropping their links so that you can use them to actually create whichever one you want. But I would like you to follow my instructions closely. So after typing this, so we are creating one for Lesotho now. I've actually created one for South Africa before, so that's why I choose Lesotho. So the next thing you want to do is to click enter. Now you can see that the interface is kind of different. So what I want you to do now is to click on sign up for free. So when you click on sign up for free, they are going to ask you, do you want a personal account or a business account? But I want you to listen very carefully to me. Do not choose a personal account. Instead, choose a business account. So you choose your business account and click on continue. So now when you click on continue, you're going to be redirected to where you're going to input your email address like this. So what I want you to take note of is that you should not use an email address that you've already used before to open a PayPal account, because they're going to trigger it and they're going to find out that this person is not who you says he is, or this person already has an account with us and he's a Nigerian. So what you want to do is to put in your email address here. So I'm going to put in mine now, and you click on continue. So when you're done with that, the next thing you want to do, I've chosen this. So the next thing I want to do is to enter a password. So I'm going to enter a password now. So after that, you're going to ask you to fill in your details. So what you want to do is to fill in your legal business name. So you can put in your normal name here, first name, second name, then your business details. You can put in your legal business name here. But if you don't have a business name, you can put in your name in place of your business name. So at this point where there is a number here, you can change that to your Nigerian number. You can use your Nigerian number to open this, and you open it up your Nigerian number. So the next thing is your business address. So when you done with this, you fill in your business address and you put in address 1, address 2, city, province, postal code, US dollar. If you want to change it, you can change it. But at this point, this business address point, they would not allow you to use an address which is not in Lesotho. So you can just do a simple Google search for um, places in Lesotho, uh, landmarks in Lesotho, and you can use those landmarks or stuff as a location. Then the next thing you want to do is to agree to their terms and continue. So let's continue, agree, and continue. So I'm going to fill up mine now.
So now that I've filled in those details, the next thing they're going to ask is for the type of business. So you can choose your type of business. So let's choose individual sole proprietor. So you choose whatever you want here. So I'll just say repairs. If you have a website, you can put a website. If you don't have a website, leave it at that, leave it empty, then continue. So the next thing they're going to ask you for is your day, month, and year, and your nationality. So when they've asked you that, the next thing they're going to request for is your home address. So you can either select what you've selected before, or you choose it something else, but I'm going to use what I've used before. I'm going to fill in my details. So now on this nationality part, what I want you to know is that there's no cause for alarm. You can put in your Nigerian nationality because of your identity document. So if they ask for an identity document and you put in Lesotho, you might not be able to provide a national ID number. So that is why that's very important. So you just choose Nigeria and you choose in any national and you choose any of these, which you have a passport, a driver's license, etc., and you impute it here. So when you're done, you click on submit. So when you click on submit, you're going to be redirected to an interface. On that interface, what you're going to see is this. So I'm just going to fill this up, and when I'm done filling it up, we will proceed to the next thing, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do there. So after filling that up, you're going to be redirected to this place. Now this is your PayPal dashboard. Now you're going to need to do two things before you can start using this your PayPal account. Now these two things you need to do are: number one, you'd have to verify your email, confirm your email address. Now to do that, all you have to do is to just click on see details. So when you click on see details, it will automatically send a message to your mail, and you go there and confirm. Then you come back to this your dashboard and you click on link and confirm my debit or credit card. So if you click on this see details, you're going to click on see details, then they'll ask you to link a payment method. So there are two ways: either you link your a bank account that is um for that country, or that can accept a dollar payment or a payment for that country's amount, or you link a credit card. Now to get a credit card, you can use the UBA dollar card. To get that card, you just go to the bank with with the relevant document they will ask you for, and use it to create your to get a credit card that you can use to on this PayPal. And with that, you can use it to make online transactions and make payments. But the downside is that you cannot actually withdraw cash with that account, but you can use it to make online payments. So with that, you've already gone a step ahead, and you now have a functional PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. When you're done with that, you can now start using your PayPal account. So thank you for watching. Before you go, if you've not liked and subscribed to this channel, please like, subscribe, and drop your comment. You can also share with your friends and your loved ones. Thank you for watching once again. See you.